Hey guys, so last night I got this done. I didn't end up getting to this plate. I cut it and trimmed it, so it's ready to go on, but I didn't get to weld it yet. So that's what I'm gonna get ready to do today. I'm gonna get this set up and find a spot for the camera. And once I do that, I'll bring you guys back and we'll weld this in real quick. So, hope you guys enjoy. Alright, we're all set up. So I'm gonna put a couple tacks on, make sure it's all lined up right, and then once I ensure that it's in the spot I want it to be, I'm gonna weld through until I get to a spot where the gap's getting too wide, and then I'll have to start bending that plate in and welding along as I bend it. So, here we go. There we are, guys. It's all welded up. I haven't done in here yet. I will end up doing in there before I get done, but I'm not going to do that tonight. The next thing I'm going to attempt to do tonight is possibly fit this other tub to that strut tower. Now, some of you may be asking how I followed this contour, or how I found this contour the way I did. And I actually have a tool to show you guys. So let me get this all set up, and I'll bring you guys back to show you what I got. So here it is. It's an Empire contour gauge. You can find these online. The part number is 2754. They're like 10-11 bucks. You can find them on Amazon, a bunch of different websites online. Pretty easy to use. All you have to do, the way I did it on the other side was I made a reference mark. It doesn't even really matter where it is. You make a reference mark, find a measurement on here that you'd like to reference that mark off of, So in this case, you can probably do 3 inches. Make that mark, put the 3-inch mark right on it, and then you just push in until all of them touch. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Hang on, guys. You just push in till all the little pins are touching. Once all the little pins are touching, you can bring this over to your fender. And you can lay it out just like that. Once you lay it out, you can just make a mark here, use that as a cut line, and then cut it out and fit it up. Should get you pretty close. You might have to do a little grinding here or there, but nothing too crazy. It should get you right where you need to be. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll bring you guys back when I'm done. Right, here we are, guys. Got the contour gauge. Off camera, I held the fender up in place where I knew the bottom end needed to land, and then marked the top where it's going to need to be cut. So then all I have to do is line this up. You want the black part to be parallel with the edge of the fender. Make my mark at 3 inches. Now obviously we're going to cut that half off, so we're going to have to come down here and actually I'm going to grab one more thing. So the other thing I went to go grab was an adjustable square, and with this we're going to be able to draw a straight line from this edge across here. That way we can connect the lines from the contour gauge to the amount that we know we have to cut off on the straight section. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and then I'll bring you guys back once it's all marked up. Here it is, all marked up. As you guys can see, the contour gauge shows that the strut tower actually comes in a little bit. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut to this line here and go straight from this line to the edge, leaving this extra material from the top line to the bottom line, just in case I need it there. If not, it's always easy to trim it off. It's not as easy to put it back. So I'm going to do that real quick and fit it and show you guys how it fits. Well, as you can see, I left that a little bit extra on there, and it's way too much. So I'm going to go ahead and trim that off and get it all fit up nice and bring you guys back to show you the final result. Well, I had to trim it again, and I don't quite have it fit up yet, but it's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna try to finish this up tomorrow, possibly, or the day after that. But that's all for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.